When I got the R32, it only had one key, and the one key that it had is kind of limp. So I wanted to get a couple new keys, and they're really expensive from the dealership. So I found a company that allows you to order keys. You can rent the cable and software and do it at home yourself. What you do is you take a picture of the original key, they cut the key, and send it to you, and then if you want to rent the cable, you can do that as well. In addition to renting the cable, you can rent a tablet from them that has all the software on it already. I opted to use my laptop because I have screen capture software on it, so I can walk you guys through exactly how this works. There are also other DIY methods that you can do to get your own keys programmed, especially on Mark IV and B5 generation cars, but I wanted to test this process because this is something I think anybody will be able to do. Before you go to programming any keys, you want to make sure that each key works in each lock cylinder. That includes the ignition, the door, the trunk, and if you didn't order a valet key, the glove box. Before loading up the VAG-TACO software, which is what we're using to program the keys, you are going to need to disable your firewall as well as antivirus on your laptop or computer. This, to me, was the most challenging and annoying part of doing the entire thing. We need to first select the ECU we want to talk to, which is going to be the instrument cluster. This is going to be from model year 99 to 06 K-line, so we'll select that. Then what we need to do is we need to connect to the instrument cluster by selecting Connect Selected ECU. This will go in and talk to our instrument cluster. This process did take a couple of seconds to finish communication. Once the software is done talking to the instrument cluster, we're going to need to read the PIN for the keys. This is the magic code that needs to be extracted in order to log in and adapt new keys. So we'll click Read PIN, takes a few seconds, and it will read our number. Also a good idea to write this down in case you ever need it because you can program keys with VAGCOM. Once you have your key code, we're going to select the Program New Keys function. This little box pops up and we enter our key code where it says Enter PIN code. After you enter the code, select the number of keys you want to program, and in this case we're going to do 3, and of course we want to erase the old keys. Select OK, and it'll erase all the keys, and then it'll come up and say to remove the key. Once that pops up, your first key is actually programmed. Take the key out and put the next key in and turn the ignition on. The immobilizer light will flash for a few seconds and then go out. Once that happens, the key is programmed. Go ahead and move to any remaining keys, or if that's your last one, disconnect your VAG-TACO and test the keys. You do want to wait about 30 seconds between each startup, just to make sure that each key will start the car properly. And that's really all it takes to get the key program. Now, if you ordered remotes like these, you do need to adapt the remote side. For my car, this can be done with one key in the ignition, turn the ignition on, put the other key in the door, rotate it to the right, and double tap the unlock button. You can also do this with VAGCOM in address word 46, convenience module, or if it's a newer car, it's actually done in address word 09, vehicle electrics. As long as your driver's door latch works fine, doing one key in the ignition and one key in the door is always the easiest way to do it. All right, so there we have it. That was a super easy process. There was instructions, as you saw, right on the side to walk us through everything. Just follow it step by step and you'll be good to go. The most challenging part, truthfully, was disabling all the firewall junk on my laptop. Other than that, no problem at all. So with that, I'm going to wrap it up. If you guys want to learn more about this process or order one of these keys, I'll have a link down in the description. Just do me a favor and let them know that I sent you or you heard about it from me. And maybe one day I'll be able to hit them up for a crew member discount. I'm really jazzed to finally have that extra key on my key ring and one that doesn't just flip down when it has the weight of the keys on it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Good luck. Hope you can do this all on your own, and I will see you next time.